rain. She stands in bare feet. How she loves the rain. She runs into the street. Let it soak her, that heavy downpour. It's no joke, it's what she's renowned for. She doesn't like humidity, she prefers to keep cool. Feel the raindrops on her skin. She doesn't need validity to jump in the pools where the water's gathering. I love her in the rain that wettens her hair. As showers fall again, I'll follow her hair. Of all the raindrops, I know which I'd be. 1 billion raindrops, those ones are lucky that splash onto her hands and onto her cheek. The ones she catches on her tongue, not the ones that quench the land nor fill up the creek, nor make rainbows with the sun. All the raindrops that must have fallen in darkening rooms on paving stones, or pointlessly into the ocean deep, or dripping from the eyelashes of rain-lashed North Sea fishermen, or hiding lonely tears when someone weeps. Swished by windscreen wipers from cars speeding towards maternity wards, or bouncing down from leaf to heavy leaf, or running in silver rivers down umbrellas held over elderly lovers when they kiss as if they're teenagers beneath.